Hi, in this video, I will be showing you on how to assign transport to student and how to generate the pickup list. This function is available for professional and enterprise subscriber only. If your center implement transportation service, then this video will help you to understand on how to work it around with SimTrain. Let's take a look at the overview of the process. Firstly, you need to create area, then create the database for vehicle. After that, assign the area to student's address. Next, register class with transport. Then last but not least, generate transport pickup list. So pickup list needs a few preset data before you can generate the report. Also, in SimTrain, there's no specific default window to charge transportation fees. So user would have to create a fee in add or edit product and subject. So first, you need to create a category for transportation. Go to secondary master data and add or edit category. So let's create a category for the transportation fees. So I'm going to put TR for transportation. And then type as charge and save. Then let's create the charge itself in add or edit product subject. So I'm going to put TR as well, and then transport charges. Select the category, and then I'll leave the standard as null as I want this charge to be available for all standard. Key in the standard amount and take repeat and clone checkbox and save it. Now let's create the location that your transportation service covers at add or edit area. To master data, secondary master data, and search add or edit area. So I'm going to create a sample here and then save. You may have a lot more, but here is just a sample. After that, let's create the vehicle that would be used to fetch the students from and to the center. So now go to master data, secondary master data, and click add or edit vehicle. So here's where you're going to create the database for the vehicle that you have for transportation service. So normally we put in the vehicle code as the transportation type, such as bus, car, van, and so on. But if you have any other idea than that, you may insert it here. So I'm going to put in bus, select the driver. And if you'd like to add more driver information, you just click plus and add in it here and save, and the driver's name will be listed in this drop down menu. And if you have any vehicle description, you may insert in this input area and save it. So now let's go to student's profile to assign the area and also the address. So go to master data, primary master data, and add or edit student. So I'm going to select a student, click this pencil icon, scroll down until you see address button, click it. So this student already has 2 addresses. So if you would like to add more address for the student, you just scroll down and fill up these input fields, and please assign the area because this is the important part to generate the transport pickup list, and then save it. After you have defining or assigning the address, let's register student to the class in which he would like to have the transportation service. So select a student name, click register subject. So this student Harry would like to be registered to this Bahasa Melayu class together with transportation service. So he will be picked up from his place to the center to attend this class, and then he will be transported back to his place from the center after the class ends. So up here, as I've mentioned in tutorial 5 video, it's for transportation purpose. So since this student would like to be transported to the center and from the center, so I'm going to select the home address first, and then the transportation type for both parts. And after that, take transportation to the center and transportation to his home address, and click save it. So if you like to make the payment, so just click create payment and click pay all if he make full amount of the payment, and then complete. So after you have registered the student with the transportation service, go to report icon right here, and then go to management report and select transport pickup list. And after that, select the date that you wish the report to display. So right now, I'm going to select the date of the class that Harry is registered to, which is on 2nd of May. And then I would like to view the report for both to and from and the vehicle, and click generate pickup report. So right here it will display both records of transportation from and to the center. So as you can see, it displays student's name and the address, and also the class code and the vehicle. However, if the student is already registered to a particular class and suddenly he would like to pay for transportation service, so what should you do? So this is how. You go to that student's profile. Let's go to Harry's profile again. And then after that, you click on the student's name. Go to the active class. For this one, Harry is already registered to English class, but this one is not assigned with transportation service. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this class code and then click registration info right here. And a box will appear like this. Then you click on this editor, and after that there's a transportation box down here. So I'm going to assign transportation from and to, or if you like only one of it, just take one checkbox and select the home address and select the vehicle and click update. So as for the transportation charges, you may open a new receipt for this charge. So I'm going, for example, since Harry already have an outstanding detail, I'm just going to add in the charge and click transportation charges, and then the period is 2016-05. Click add on, and if you'd like to make the payment with the student, just click create payment and continue the process. So let's go generate the transport pickup list. So the English class that Harry is registered to is going to be on 4th of May. So I'm going to select the date and then the transportation type, click generate pickup report, and as you can see here, this is the class that Harry is going to attend, and he will be transported from his home to the center, and we will send him back to his place from the center as well. So this is the address and the vehicle. So that's all. Thanks for watching.